So here we're going to take a look at the Planex Easy Drywall Sander. These are really easy to use because they're light and well balanced. They'll also keep you safe because they've got effective dust extraction and really low machine vibration. And they'll save you money because they've got a direct drive maintenance-free brushless motor. The Planex Easy Drywall Sander weighs only 4 kilos, which makes it effortless to use for sanding applications. Being well balanced, it's easily manoeuvrable between sanding walls and ceilings, and a large diameter pad achieves an exceptional finish in a small amount of time. The sanding system works effectively when combined with auto-clean dust extractors to ensure that not only harmful dust is extracted from the user, but also a consistent sanding result are achieved every time. Clever designs allow quick sanding of edges, and the system of abrasives cover many applications. Some drywall sanders with a cheaper build quality and cable drive designs can lead to downtime and continuous maintenance costs. The Festool drywall sanders are designed with a direct drive maintenance-free brushless motor. This not only gives you consistent sanding speed to achieve great results, but also means no regular ongoing trips to get the tool repaired. So the drywall sander is light and ergonomic to use, keeps you safe with effective dust extraction, and will save you money with smart design and reliable build quality.